In this video, we will demonstrate a unique reporting tool available from within SafeGrid earthing software, which is named the PDF Underlay Tool. The PDF Underlay Tool allows you to overlay the surface, touch, and step voltage plots onto your site construction drawings. The process is simple. Import your PDF or image file as a background, resize the plots to match the scale of the background, then move the plots to align with the objects in your drawing. I will now demonstrate using the PDF Underlay tool with an example. Firstly, let's perform the earthing system calculations. In this example, we will design the earthing for a 132/22 kV substation and use the PDF Underlay tool for reporting. The substation is a collector substation for a wind farm, which collects and consolidates the power from individual wind turbines fed via buried 22 kV power cables. A step-up transformer is used to transfer the power via overhead transmission line to the power grid. At the substation, there is a lightning protection and a substantial earthing system. All the high voltage switchgear within the substation is connected to the main earth grid. The metal fence which surrounds the substation is bonded with the earthing grid, and a grading conductor is buried 1 meter beyond the metal fence, which is used to reduce touch voltages. Let's take a look at the design settings for this project. There are two different conductor types set up: 70mm squared annealed copper for the main grid, and 220mm squared copper-clad steel for the rods. The earthing conductors are sized using a prospective maximum fault current of 15 kA and a maximum fault duration of 1 second. Decrement factor was calculated using an XR ratio of 20 and a fault clearing time of 0.4 seconds. Let's take a look at the fault current module for this project. The fault current distribution calculation was performed for the single 132 kV overhead transmission line, which had two overhead earth wires. For a 132 kV earth fault, the total earth fault entering the substation earth grid was 7% of the total prospective current. Soil resistivity measurements were performed, imported into SafeGrid, and a 3-layer soil resistivity model was calculated. This model consists of a 199 ohm meter top layer, which is 1.2 meters thick, a middle soil layer of 1355 ohm meters, which is 9.4 meters thick, and a bottom layer of 212 ohm meters. The earth grid was drawn with the correct dimensions in AutoCAD and imported into SafeGrid for modeling. A voltage profile was created to cover the entire earthing grid. Then a safe touch voltage limit was calculated based on the IEC standard method. Finally, the earthing system performance was calculated using the display results module. Once we have obtained the surface, touch, and step voltage plots from the calculations, these can be overlaid with the PDF construction drawings using the PDF Underlay tool, which I will show you now. Firstly, open the PDF Underlay tool by clicking PDF Tool. After opening the PDF tool, you should load a PDF drawing file. Import a background drawing or image by dragging and dropping the file into the tool or selecting it from disk. For multi-page PDF documents, you can select the correct page. You can rotate the background drawing using the Rotate button. The plot needs to be scaled to match the dimensions of the background drawing. Select the plot from the selection dropdown and then click the Resize Tool button. Then, click the Measure Scale on Background button and use the mouse to draw a line on the background drawing. Then specify its corresponding length, same as it is set in the original drawing to automatically scale the plot. Move the plot to its position by pressing the Move button and using the mouse. If necessary, you can use the Rotate Tool button and the mouse to rotate the plot into position as required. Use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom and the other view controls for easy viewing. You can change the plot using the Select Plot dropdown on the control bar. You can choose between surface, touch, and step voltage plots, along with their contour plots. For this example, I want to use a touch plot. You can also move and scale the color bar. Select the color bar from the selection dropdown, and then move the color bar into position by pressing the Move button and using the mouse. Click the Resize tool button and scale the color bar by adjusting the height or width values. It's possible to go back to the main application, make changes to the calculation, and then update the plot in the PDF Underlay tool. I'm going to go to the Safety Criteria tab and change the touch voltage reference to reach distance, and then recalculate. Note that the touch voltage plot changes. Now, back in the PDF Underlay tool, if I click Refresh from Main Application, the touch voltage plot will update. Finally, you can create a new image combining the background and the plot. Click Report to create a new PDF of the combined background and plot. Alternatively, click Save to store as an image file. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the SafeGrid software, please visit elec.com.au.